Hello everyone, good morning. So welcome back to everyone and my greetings and start to everyone. So today let's explore together with me the part of the Kashmir, and right now I am in Jammu. So I came here today, so let's explore together with me the city of Jammu and all over the Kashmir. And I have to also go Amarnath because I came here to take the place of Lord Shiva in Amarnath temple. So after that I am also trying to explore all over the, and then I will also go the Mata Vaishno Devi temple, Pahalgam, and many more places, Srinagar also, Gulbarg, Sonbarg, so many places. So let's explore and the view of the all over the Kashmir and Jammu. And this is a Tavi river. So Tavi river which is flowing from Jammu and which is originated also from Jammu, and it is a tributary of the Chenab river which is going to confluence with the Chenab in Sialkot, Pakistan. So it is also going in Pakistan. So let's see the view of the Chenab Tavi river. This is the view of the Tavi river. Let's see. So please like my video and subscribe my channel, because I am trying to become like a good adventurer and explorer along with also the mountaineering. I am passionate about this adventure, climbing and vlogging. So let's see, and please support and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. So I am going to go all over the Kashmir Jammu along with the same. Thank you. So this is the Jammu Tawi railway station, and right now I am at the railway station of Jammu Tawi. So let's see how it is the station of Jammu Tawi, and it is the major largest railway station of Jammu Kashmir, which is in Jammu, which is connected with the all over the India, which is a part of the Northern Indian Railway. So even the name Jammu Tawi, we know that very well about the Jammu, and Tawi is derived from the Tavi river, which is flowing from Jammu Kashmir, because Jammu is located on the bank of Tavi river. So that's reason it is known as the Jammu Tawi, because of the river Tavi. So let's see, and this is a Jan Ahar, which is also popular here, and also we can get general ticket and every ticket from the Jan Ahar only. And there is also one hotel, we can see there is also one hotel we can book here if you want to stay in this, to book hotel and stay. So this is one of the best hospitality are located nearby this railway station, and this is the parking side area. We can park our vehicles such as the cars and any another vehicles also we can park here. So and also we can also get the RFID card from here also, the persons who like to go Amarnath Yatra. So I also got a RFID card from here only, and then after that I will go to Bhagwati Nagar Yatri Niwas, which is located just 6 km away from here, and I can book bus ticket from there for Amarnath Yatra, and Bhagwati Nagar is the first point where we can start our Amarnath Yatra from there only for the holy cave of Amarnath through the Pahalgam, and then I will go from Pahalgam, then I will go in many more places. So let's see, really it is a very good moment for me, and I'm also feeling so excited because I'm going to take the place of Lord Shiva, where that is popular for mortal Amarnath holy caves. So I'm going here, and this is a police martyr memorial which is dedicated to police memorial. So it is just in front of the railway station only. So this time I am going to explore all over the Jammu city in short time. So already I explained about this. This is a police martyr memorial. So let's explore together with me the city of Jammu. So I am going to explore every places in Jammu which is little bit popular compared to another place which is just close near to the railway station. So this is one of the park which is located here in Jammu also, which is also really a very good park is here. Also many more persons are coming for walking, playing game and sports, and also doing yoga and many more things. So and another next I am going also so let's always explore together with me and enjoy together with me the city of Jammu. So I can't explain my words how I am feeling here today in Jammu. So this time I am crossing the road. I am at the signal. So there is a one Jain temple, and there is also one of the statue of the Jorawar Singh, who was a Major Jorawar Singh, who was a military general of the Dongra Rajput ruler Gulab Singh of the Jammu and Kashmir, who was born in Ansar in Kahlur in Himachal Pradesh present time, who served as the Kistawar and extended the territory of his kingdom by conquering Ladakh and the Balistan. He also boldly attempts the conquest of western Tibet, but he was killed and got martyred in the Battle of Toyo during the Dongra Tibetan War. So Jorawar Singh has been referred to as the Napoleon of India and conqueror of the Ladakh. So this temple is a Jain temple of Parsabnath, which is dedicated to 24 Tirthakar of Jain, who was born in Banarsi and got attained enlightenment that is known as the Kaivalya on the Mount Sumitra, which is also known as the present time Parasnath in Jharkhand, which symbol is the wall, which is also the Parasnath is the highest peak of Jharkhand also. So let's come here in Jammu Kashmir. This is one of the temple which is also dedicated to Sri Ram and Krishna. So again explore together with me the city of Jammu. So I am going to take the place of Guru also in Gurudwara. So one of the Gurudwara which is coming very soon, so I am going there. So in between there is a lot of places we can see how it is the city. So I just reached Gurudwara. I am just in front of the Gurudwara of the Guru Singh Sabha Gurudwara, which is located in Guru Nanak Colony in Jammu. So I am going inside the Gurudwara Guru Singh Sabha. So really I am also feeling so good before entering into the Gurudwara, and let's see and just take and enjoy the view of the colony in Jammu. So this is the residence of Jammu. Really the infrastructure of the Jammu is also so nice. So we can feel the infrastructure of Jammu in this colony. I am just between the Jammu inside one of the best colony here, and this is also one of the best Gurudwara that is already mentioned about the Gurudwara Sri Bala Pritam, which is located in Tirkut Nagar in Jammu, which is just only 1.5 km away from the Jammu Tawi railway station. So I am also feeling so good, and right now the time is also nearly 6 p.m. So the evening is also going and the sun is also going to be set. So during the evening time the Gurudwara is also looking so good. So this is the main entrance and gate of the Gurudwara, where I am waiting to go inside the Gurudwara, and I am also going to take the place of Guru Granth Sahib and the Guru Gobind Singh from Guru Nanak, and we know all over the Guru are also, and already I explained about the Jorawar Singh. So right now I am just returning from here along with, so this is the Jorawar Singh, a statue and Jain temple of Parsabnath. So I am returning here, and this is the RBI, Reserve Bank of India, which is located in Jammu. So this is the symbol of our like Indian currency R, rupees R, which is a symbol of the RBI. So even you also know very well that the RBI headquarters is located in Mumbai, and the current governor is Dr. Satyakanta Das. So really it is a very good. I am also feeling so it's become morning, and I am going in Bhagwati Nagar in Yatri Niwas to take my RFID card, and I will start my Amarnath Yatra journey from the Bhagwati Nagar base camp from Yatri Niwas. So this is the way that I am going, and during the journey we can explore many more things. So how and even I will also cross the Tavi river also. So let's together we can see the Tavi river. So let's see, this is a Bikram Chowk, and Bhagwati Nagar symbol is here from here. So I am following the direction of Bhagwati Nagar, and this is the another signal. This is we can see Amarnath Yatri Niwas located from here only, and Katra is also there. Even I will also go Mata Vaishno Devi temple in Katra also. So first I will go Amarnath, then I will go Mata Vaishno Devi temple, then Leh Ladakh, Srinagar, Gulbarg, Sonmarg, and Pahalgam, Anantnag, Mata Sun temple, and much more places. Pangong Lake also. So I just came. I am crossing the bridge of Tavi River in Jammu Kashmir. So let's see. This is the Tavi River, and we know very well that Tavi River originated from the Kailash Kund glacier in the Bhaderwah in Doda district of Jammu Kashmir, and it is flowing through the Indian administrated Jammu Kashmir and Pakistan administrated Jammu Kashmir, that is known as the Azad Jammu Kashmir, and merged with the Chenab River in Pakistan in Sialkot. So which is tributary of the Chenab River also, and Tavi River is also about flowing 150 km long, and it is a major source of drinking water for the cities of Jammu and Udhampur. And this river is also known as the Surputri in ancient text in India. So how it is the water flowing from the Tavi River we can see, and there is not much more water is not flowing from this river. I think nowadays there is a very less water flowing from this river, we can see also. And even the river water is also flowing just like a soil mixed water. That season it look like a little bit of soil mixed water, like during the rainy season we can see this type of water into the river. So really it is a very good moment for me. So I hope all enjoy together with me. So please like and support me, because and stay update together with me, because I will update everything about the Kashmir and Jammu along with the Amarnath, Mata Vaishno Devi temple, Pahalgam, Sonmarg, Gulbarg, Leh Ladakh, and Mata Sun temple, and many more places, because I also spent some time in Jammu Kashmir. So let's see, this is also a Maulana Stadium, Maulana Azad Stadium, which is located in Jammu also. And we know that very well that Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was the first education minister of India. So I think the name of the stadium is also name of the Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. So and this is the Government Gandhi Memorial Science College of Jammu and Kashmir, which is affiliated to the Cluster University of Jammu. So once again, thank you so much.